In the early days of crypto, the dream was simple: a financial system without borders, a world where people could move value freely, securely, and without permission. But as blockchain technology evolved, a new problem emerged. Speed slowed down, transaction fees increased, and also privacy almost disappeared. Every transaction became visible, every movement traceable, every wallet exposed to the public eye. So the technology that promised freedom was now struggling with all this scalability and confidentiality. And that's when a silent revolution began. A technology so advanced, it almost sounded impossible. Zero knowledge technology, or simply TK. Imagine proving something is true without revealing the actual information behind it. Imagine also entering a vault by proving you know the password without ever saying the password out loud. Today, traders and also investors want faster transactions and lower fees. TK Rollups allow decentralized exchanges to process thousands of trades instantly while reducing network congestion and also transaction costs. This means smoother trading experiences and scalable financial systems built for global adoption. Another powerful use case is digital payments. Imagine sending crypto across borders within seconds with minimal fees while maintaining transaction privacy. TK-powered payment networks are making this possible. In the future, users may prove their identity online without revealing sensitive personal information. You could also verify your age, citizenship, or even credential without exposing passports, ID numbers, or private data. This could transform banking, social media, gaming, and online verification systems. Then comes blockchain gaming. Modern blockchain games require massive transaction volumes, buying items, trading assets, upgrading characters, and also processing rewards. Traditional blockchains often struggle with speed and cost, but TK infrastructure enables faster and cheaper in-game transactions, creating smoother gaming ecosystem for millions of players worldwide. NFT ecosystems are also adopting TK solutions. Minting NFTs on congested network can become expensive. So TK technology helps reduce maintenance fees and improves scalability for digital collectibles and creator platforms. And beyond also crypto, even enterprises and governments are exploring zero-knowledge systems. In fact, TK solutions are considered a major part of Ethereum scaling future. So let us explain how Ethereum uses TK technology. Ethereum mainly uses TK through something called TK Rollups. This rollups process transaction off-chain and then submit a cryptographic proof back to Ethereum main. This helps Ethereum achieve faster transactions, lower gas fees, better scalability, and especially more efficiency without sacrificing security. Popular TK projects in Ethereum ecosystem. Some major Ethereum-based TK solutions include TK Sync, Starknet, Polygon, TK EVM, Scroll. This project aims to scale Ethereum for mass adoption. Why Ethereum needs TK? Ethereum became extremely popular because of DeFi, NFTs, smart contracts, Web3 apps, but heavy usage caused high gas fees, slower speeds, and also network congestion. TK technology helps solve all these problems while still using Ethereum's strong security layer. Ethereum founders view Vitalik Buterin has repeatedly spoken positively about Zk technology and also believes it can play a huge role in Ethereum's long-term scalability and privacy improvements. Many experts now believe the future of Ethereum scaling is heavily connected to Zk rollups.